Hello children, a very warm good morning to you all. I hope you all are happy, healthy and most important safe at your place. This is your first GK classes, so I would like to welcome you all. So let's start. So guess the chapter name with the image. Yes, your first chapter is human body, and today will be discussed about the various parts of a human body and their functions. Some of the major organs in the human body are the brain, the lungs, the liver, the stomach and the bladder. These organs are called internal organs because why it is called internal organs? Because these organs we are not able to see. Okay, so the organ which we are not able to see, that organs are called internal organs, and the organ which we are able to see, that organs are called external organs. For example, your eyes, nose, hand, these organs you are able to see, so that's why these organs are called external organs. Now one by one we'll discuss about all the internal organs of the human body, then we'll do the book exercises. Brain is the most important organ in your body. The brain controls your body and everything it does, means whatever we are doing, it all controls by your brain. Without your brain you would not be able to breathe, walk, talk, learn, think, remember things, as well as be able to feel happy or sad. Your brain sends signals through your body, through your nerves, and your nerves allow you to feel and touch objects. Different parts of our brain control different parts of our body. We need all of these parts of our brain to work properly. Now the next organ is lungs. Lungs are the organs which help us to breathe. We breathe in air through our nose and mouth, as you all know, and the oxygen is then taken into our body, traveling through the bloodstream to blood cells, and the body cells then use the oxygen to get energy. Waste substances like carbon dioxide are then released into the blood, carried to the lungs to leave the blood, and is then breathed out through your mouth and nose. Now next is stomach. Stomach is where our food goes. Our stomach holds the food we have eaten, which it then begins to break down through the contracting of the muscles in the stomach walls. After 2 hours of the stomach digestion, the food we have eaten then leaves the stomach and travels to another part of our body known as the small intestine. And without a stomach we would have no place in our body to store food. This would then prevent us from eating, therefore not allowing for us to survive. Okay. Now next, liver. Liver has many jobs, but its main job is to filter out all the poisonous substances in your blood. Without the liver acting as a filter in our body, it would be full of poisonous substances polluting our body. Without this we would not be alive. And the liver also produces a liquid called bile, which breaks down all the fats in our body, which aids digestion. Okay. Now next, the bladder, the most important one of the most important organ in your body. Bladder is where urine is stored. The urine travels from the kidney to the bladder. It is the bladder where our urine is stored, which will later pass out of our body when we go to the toilet. Okay, and without our bladder we would become polluted by our own waste, due to the reason that there is a nowhere else for it to travel or another way in which we can be passed out. Heart. The heart, the another most important organ within your body. The heart's job is to keep us alive through pumping blood around our body. Our heart sends our blood on a never-ending journey through our bodies. The 2 chambers in our heart are pumps which pump the blood to different places in our body and which allow the rest of the organs in our body to work. One takes blood to the rest of our body, the other takes it to the lungs. Without the heart pumping blood through these organs in our veins, and the rest of our body would not work. When our heart stops pumping the blood around our body, this is when we die. Okay. Now kidney. Kidneys are a small bean shaped organ, as you are able to see the shape, that's why it's also called the bean shaped organ. Okay, which lie either side of your body. We have two kidneys. Okay, the blood which travels through the kidneys deposits the waste the blood has gathered on its journey through your body. Small filters out the impurities from the blood, and the impurities travel to the middle of your kidney, which develops a liquid called urine. The kidney help us to get rid of waste in our bodies through producing the urine, which travels on to your bladders. Okay, so we'll start with the book exercises. In this chapter, you have to read the clues to identify various parts of a human body and circle their names in the word grid by choosing the answers from the help box. As we have learned so many things about the internal parts of a human body, so now one by one we'll discuss each sentence and we'll give the answer. So the first one, it pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Yes, the answer is heart, as we have learned earlier. Okay, now second one, they send signals to our brain, which in turn tells the body how it should respond. So who sends signals to our brain? Yes, nerves. Nerves send signals to our brain, and then brain react accordingly. Okay, so the answer is nerves. Third one, it forms the frame of our body and protects our organ. The answer is skeleton. ठीक है, skeletons protects each of the organ. Okay, and also its frames our body. Fourth one, they help us to breathe. So which part of our body help us to breathe? Yes, lungs. It is the bony covering which protects the brain. Okay, so this is outer layer of a brain, that is called skull, and skulls protects the brain, because brain is a very soft organ. So the skull is a bony structure, bony covering which protects the brain. Okay, now the sixth one, it helps us to think and dream. Yes, the answer is brain. Brain help us to think and dream. Now the seventh one, it is the largest external organ of the human body. So which is the largest external of your human body? You are see the image, so just guess the answer. Which is the largest organ in your human body? That is your skin, because from head to toe you are able to see the body, which is covered only with the help of the skin. So skin is the largest external organ of the human body. And the last, it is an organ which carries food from the mouth to the stomach. So which organ carries food from the mouth to the stomach? Yes, food pipe. Food pipe carries food from the mouth to the stomach, and who transfer our food to the stomach.